Because this is not just one or two purchases.
No.
You've got a lot of Herco machines here.
We've got 11 here at the moment, but our journey started back in '96 with the first purchase. We found any questions or inquiries we needed to make with Herco, support and service, they were always there for us.
I'm kind of picking up that you're calling yourself more of a partnership than anything, because that's got to evolve over such time.
Yeah, absolutely it does. The same as we build relationships with customers, we look to build those with our suppliers as well, Herco being one of those.
How long have you been using Hypermill software?
For about 12 to 18 months. It was a long story, but briefly, our previous product was getting slower, badly managed, and we were just looking for a replacement. Although it was a massive investment, we got to a point where we had to bite the bullet.
And there are other options out there as well, though. So why did Hypermill win your business?
Well, to be fair, we can see that it seems to be number one in the marketplace at the moment. A lot of people are using it, so we thought we'd follow the crowd.
And you invested in this machine tool as well from Matsura. Is the combination of Hypermill software and this a very powerful offering for AC Precision?
It is, yeah. I mean, there was a lot of support. We got the posts very quickly, and they work very well.
Let's have a look at that. If you could just hold that. This is an example of a part where you've seen significant savings on this machine compared to another Star. Now, it wasn't slow before, but can you talk us through how fast it is now?
Well, we've took it down from 1 minute 27 on one of our 7-axis SR32Js down to 62 seconds on the SW20. Just basically down to the fact that we can balance turn and balance mill this component off complete.
Looking at this MPMC range, it's truly flexible, isn't it? You've got so many options with it.
Definitely. Yeah. Boring bars, gear cutting. We can do adjustable boring heads. We can do high-speed milling heads, high-torque milling heads, all within the same machine. We drop one off, pick up the next one, and off we go.
And what about the actual size of the machine? Where do they start and where do they finish?
Okay, so we can handle up to 80 tons in weight, 15 metres in length, and 2 metres in diameter. We are actually talking about going slightly bigger than 2 metres in diameter currently.
Where did you go for the software?
I went to PSL Data Track. I'd worked with them previously at a different company, so I knew how to use it. It was so simple to use, and that was my main reason for speed, really.
Okay, when you say speed, it's in terms of?
Quoting jobs. The customer I work with, they might ring up and ask for multiple jobs, multiple quantities. With that system, I can do that in seconds. Once you put your first quote in, to edit a quote in seconds.
Okay, because you're doing lots of high-end motorsport, is that correct?
Yeah.
So you want a quote for one off, but they might quite have a change out?
Yeah, and they might ask for a 1 off, 10 off, 50 off, 100 off. Like doing that on an Excel spreadsheet, it'd take forever.
Let's get straight into it. A new machine. What do you think of it, this Herco TMM8i?
It's excellent. It's like having two spindles. We can do turning on it and milling on it. We were actually looking to get a 4th axis for one of the mills. This saves that.
Darren, thanks for having us in your manufacturing facility today. Now, not many people may know that you manufacture here on site as a subcontract business. Now, can you tell us where you started from?
Well, we started many years ago, Gio, to be honest with you. Hydrofeed subcontract has been running on site now for over 20 years.
Cura Engineering is a company that's been around since the late 1950s. We started off as a prototyping company in the aerospace industry, and now we employ 100 people, and we're precision machinists from small to medium volumes.
Everybody that watches our channel will have seen, for many years we've covered Leadwell products. They're popular general job shop machines. If you're thinking vertical machining centre, general purpose CNC lathes, turning centres, even vertical lathes, there is quite a collective of machines within the portfolio, all now sold and supported from the guys here at WH Lead. I've never seen this before. It's unique, isn't it? It's new.
It is indeed, yeah.
Ross, explain what it is.
This is a world first coming in from Meld Manufacturing over in Virginia. Basically, it's solid state material through the spindle that they're then melding onto your substrate.